Will teach you how to install the JFR plugin and how to solve common problems encountered during the installation process. Right-click. Run as administrator. Default installation in the disk D can be, don't need to create a folder. Change the language to English. Next, and install. Finish, so that the plugin is installed. If you open Rhinoceros, JFR toolbar does not show. How to solve the problem? Find Tools, Toolbar Layout. Click File, Open. Find the toolbar folder in the JFR installation path. Open the JFR Jewelry Toolbar file. This solves the problem. What if you accidentally turn off the JFR toolbar? In the toolbar, select the JFR Jewelry toolbar and check the box. It will show up. If there is no response when clicking on the icon, and the command bar shows unknown command, go to Tools, Options, Plugins in that order. Click on Install. Find the JFR plugin installation folder. Open the three .rhp files. Then check the three boxes. Click OK. Then you can use the plugin normally. Finally, restart the Rhinoceros software. Thanks for watching.